What if everything you know about air frying is wrong? We burned over worth of food on purpose for 60 straight days. Our lab tested every major brand against impossible standards. The results: most air fryers failed spectacularly, but these five performed what we can only call kitchen magic. All purchase links plus our secret temperature charts are waiting in the description. What we discovered about the number 1 pick will shatter every expectation you have. Starting at number 1. Ninja Foodi DZ550. The best air fryer we've tested is the Ninja Foodi DZ550. It's a 10-quart, dual basket model that can handle anything from solo meals to family-size feasts. One of its main selling points is the ability to use different settings for each basket, so you can prepare a main and side dish simultaneously and have them finish cooking at the same time. It's even equipped with a temperature probe that automatically monitors the internal temperature of meats, like steak or a whole chicken. Thanks to its roomy baskets, powerful fan, and high maximum power draw, this air fryer produces great quality air-fried food, resulting in evenly crispy, golden brown chicken wings, vegetables, and French fries. It preheats and cooks quickly, so you don't have to wait long for meals and snacks. Additionally, it maintains a stable temperature throughout cooking, making it easy to accurately follow recipes. It's quite versatile, with a wide range of temperature settings and fan speeds, as well as 6 preset cooking modes: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Like most other Ninja air fryers, its crisper trays have a ceramic nonstick coating. This is more difficult to clean by hand compared to conventional nonstick coatings, but it may be a pro if you avoid PTFE materials. Number 2. Ninja Foodi DZ071. If you're cooking for a crowd, consider the Ninja Foodi DZ071. It's the best large-capacity single-basket model we've tested, offering 7.1 quarts of capacity and plenty of cooking surface area, so you can cook for 5 to 6 people at a time. You can also divide the basket into 2 sections to cook separate dishes simultaneously. Of course, this convertible design means that the sections won't be as well insulated as completely separate baskets, so you may notice some heat transfer between the 2 sections. This air fryer preheats and cooks quickly, delivering very good results fast. Cooking air fryer favorites like onion rings, chicken strips, or cauliflower results in most of each batch being crispy and well-browned, while just a few pieces remain undercooked or wind up burnt. With impressive temperature stability, it's easy to follow recipes closely and cook delicate foods that require precise conditions. It offers outstanding versatility as well. Like the Ninja Foodi DZ550, it offers a wide range of temperature settings and fan speeds, and, being part of the same lineup, it has the same 6 preset cooking modes. It also features a ceramic crisper tray. If you need more surface area, but not necessarily more capacity, consider the Typher Dome 2. While it has a smaller 5.7 quart capacity, it has significantly more surface area to spread food out or cook larger items, like a 12-inch pizza. It cooks a bit slower than the Ninja, but produces fried food with similar quality. Number 3. COSORI TurboBlaze. The COSORI TurboBlaze is a 6-quart air fryer, large enough to serve approximately 4 people. Its square basket provides more cooking surface area compared to some options with the same overall capacity, making it easy to spread food out for optimal results. While it doesn't perform quite as well as the Ninja Foodi DZ550, it comes close, producing very good quality air-fried food. It's also very versatile. It offers a wide range of temperatures and 5 different fan speeds, allowing you to use the bake setting for a medium fan speed when you want to avoid drying out cakes or cookies, or the dehydrate setting for a very low fan speed to prevent light ingredients from blowing around. With even more preset cooking modes than the Ninja models above, it's a very convenient option, allowing you to keep food warm, proof dough, or cook straight from frozen with the press of a button. Its crisper plate has a PTFE nonstick coating, so it's very easy to clean. However, while this model cooks faster than the Ninja Foodi DZ071, it preheats more slowly and takes longer to reheat after adding food to the basket. Its temperature fluctuates more, too, which makes it harder to follow recipes accurately. Number 4. Dreo ChefMaker. If you want to keep a close eye on your food while it cooks, consider the Dreo ChefMaker. This high-end air fryer has a window in its basket and a light inside its 6.4-quart cooking chamber, so you can peek at your recipe's progress without opening the drawer. This air fryer cooks less evenly than the Ninja Foodi DZ550, but it still produces good quality air-fried food and works very quickly. It doesn't have a very wide range of fan speeds for different cooking methods, but it offers a temperature range wide enough for a variety of recipes. This model also offers some unique features, including its chef mode presets, which use a temperature probe and a water misting feature to automatically cook cuts of meat, like steak or salmon. It connects to an app that allows you to monitor the cooking process, look up chef mode instructions for a variety of foods, and send cooking information to the air fryer, so all you have to do on the machine itself is press the start button. Like the COSORI TurboBlaze, its crisper plate has a PTFE non-stick coating, making cleanup easy. Unfortunately, this is an expensive air fryer. If you're willing to sacrifice a bit of performance to spare your wallet, the Cuisinart Air 200 is our next best option with a window. It makes less evenly air-fried food compared to the other picks listed here, but it still produces decent results. Number 5. Ninja Speedi SF301. If crispy, well-cooked fries are your top priority, consider the Ninja Speedi SF301. It's a combo air fryer and multi-cooker, meaning you can use it as a conventional air fryer or add liquid for methods like steaming and slow cooking. Unlike most basket-style air fryers, it opens from the top, similar to a rice cooker or pressure cooker. With a 6-quart capacity and a decent amount of surface area, it can serve about 4 people at a time. This model makes even better quality fried food than the Ninja Foodi DZ550, leaving most of each batch crispy and golden brown. And while we used frozen French fries to arrive at this conclusion, you can expect the same crispy results with all sorts of air fryer classics, such as wings, onion rings, and vegetables. You won't have to wait long for meals or snacks either. While this air fryer takes a little while to preheat and reheat after adding food to the basket, it still cooks food quickly overall. When used as an air fryer, it offers great versatility. Its lowest temperature and fan settings are sufficient for dehydrating, while its highest settings help deliver those crispy results. It features a wide selection of preset cooking modes, including air fry and bake, as well as options specific to its multi-cooker functions, such as steam and proof, although we haven't tested these options. Like the other Ninja air fryers on this list, its crisper plate has a ceramic coating. It's worth noting that this air fryer is only available from third-party sellers and is likely to sell out soon. However, if you can find it at a good price, it's a great buy. So which of these 5 champions belongs in your kitchen, whether you're a meal prep warrior or just want perfect fries every time? Every single link to purchase plus the exclusive discounts we secured is down in the description. If this brutal testing saved you from a disappointing buy, do us a massive favor, smash that like button. It tells YouTube this video is worth watching. Share this with anyone who's ever had soggy fries or burnt chicken, and subscribe and hit the bell, because next week we're exposing the single biggest lie every blender company is telling you. Thanks for watching. Cook smart.